आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone. Question is, what is the formula for nitrogen dioxide, boron trichloride and sulfur dichloride? So in this question, we have to find out the formula for nitrogen dioxide, boron trichloride and sulfur dichloride. Let's start the question. In first compound, the atoms here are nitrogen and the second element it is oxygen. So the elements here are the atoms here are nitrogen and oxygen. Before nitrogen, there is no prefix used. Before nitrogen, there is no prefix used. It tells that there is only one nitrogen atom. And before oxygen, the prefix used here is it is di. That means it denotes that there are total 2 oxygen atoms. And the formula here will be by taking a look at these values, that is 1 and 2, the nitrogen atom here is 1 and there are total 2 oxygen atoms. So the name here will be, the formula here will be, it is NO2. Moving on to next one. The atoms here are boron and chloride. That means the atoms here are boron and chlorine. Before boron, there is no prefix used. There is no prefix used before boron. It tells that there is only one boron atom. And before chlorine, the prefix used here is tri. It denotes that there are 3 chlorine atoms. By taking a look at these values, the formula here will be, there is a 1 boron atom and there are 3 chlorine atoms. So the formula will be BCl3. Last one is sulfur dichloride. The atoms here are sulfur and chloride, that means chlorine. Before sulfur, there is no prefix used. That means there is only one sulfur atom. And before chlorine, the prefix used is di. It denotes that there are 2 chlorine atoms. And the formula will be, by taking a look at these values, the formula here will be, for sulfur there is only one atom and for chlorine there are total 2 atoms. So the formula will be SCl2. And the formulas for the given compounds, it is NO2, BCl3 and SCl2. Hope you understood. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।